In this video, I'm going to show you the power of text summarization. It's an incredibly effective technique that allows you to condense very long pieces of text into short, meaningful summaries without losing the essence of the original content. Let's look at a practical business case. Imagine a bank that receives a large volume of customer complaints, all written in unstructured text. To give you an example, here's what a typical complaint record might look like. It includes the product, the subproduct, the issue, the sub-issue, and then the actual complaint text. As you can see, the complaint itself is often very long, emotional, and sometimes difficult to read through completely. Understanding the core problem a customer is raising can be time-consuming and inconsistent. But thanks to large language models and modern text summarization algorithms, we can reduce these long complaint texts into clear, concise summaries. For example, this was the original complaint text I showed you earlier. Here is the summarized version. Now just a few lines, easy to read, emotion-free, and straight to the point. This makes it much easier for the bank to quickly understand the issue and take action. Text summarization is powerful, not only for clarity, but also for analysis. Here's a scatter plot that compares the length of the original complaints on the x-axis with the length of the summarized texts on the y-axis. You can see that some complaints are more than 1,000 words long, yet their summaries are under 100 words. So overall, text summarization helps transform long, complex texts into short, meaningful summaries without losing the original meaning, making it a valuable tool for any business dealing with large volumes of unstructured text. Now let me show you how you can summarize text using DATAJARVIS. First, let's take a look at the data. This dataset contains customer complaints. One important note: if your data includes dates, make sure the date format is DDMMYYY. In this file, you can see multiple customer complaint records along with their narratives. Our goal is to use text summarization to condense these long complaint texts into short, meaningful summaries. So let's switch to the DATAJARVIS platform and open the text summarization functionality. We'll start by uploading the file. I'll go ahead and select the CSV file, and as soon as it loads, you'll see the data preview on the screen. Again, just double-check that the date format is day, month, year. Now we can add this data to the platform. After a moment, the file will be uploaded. Once it's added, we can select this data source and begin our analysis. The first thing we can do is ask DATAJARVIS to show some sample records from the dataset. Here you can see a few examples from the file we just uploaded. Next, let's perform the text summarization. Here, we configure the prompt by selecting the column we want to summarize. In our case, we want to summarize the consumer complaint narrative, so let's select that column. Now I'll run the summarization prompt. This step may take a few seconds. Once it's complete, you'll see the original complaint text alongside the summarized version. You'll also notice two useful columns, source length and summary length, which clearly show the reduction in text size. Let's take it a step further and create a scatter plot comparing the original length with the summarized length. We'll ask DATAJARVIS to generate a scatter plot where the x-axis represents the source length and the y-axis represents the summary length. We'll also add the summary text to the tooltip so we can quickly understand each point. And here you can see the visualization. This is a very powerful feature because it allows you to summarize long text instantly without writing any code and without prompt engineering. Try it out on your own data and experience the power of text summarization for yourself.